so good at soccer. Good job.
Sehr guter Fußballer, Leon.
Okay, so for the boy, definitely don't want the scissors. Let me put this down, okay? So you just comb all the hair together. That way you can cut it in one shot. See? Like this. Okay. Make sure it's on the head and you can see the level go in the middle.
Okay.
And he's really good because he's not moving around that much. But some kids move around, which makes it, the CreaClip makes it easy because then it just stays there. See? See, it makes it short enough so it can stand up.
Yeah.
And then it helps a little bit this way too. It gets the length. So now, normally I do one here. And because he's really good at sitting, I'm going to do another one in the middle.
Okay.
So one in the front, middle, and then back. That way you get it short, really short everywhere.
Yeah.
And clip it on like this again. See how the bubble, make sure it goes in the middle. And he makes sure he's sitting straight. Yeah. Good. And then I always cut an angle like this because it makes it softer. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. That's a little bit shorter. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I'll just do the back part a little bit because this part always gets really long.
Yeah.
It's just boys cuts are a little bit harder because you got to do not just a one step. It's like 3 steps.
3 steps for boys.
Yeah, because
But still, I mean, how long has this been taken? It's maybe a minute.
Yeah, not that long.
Super fast.
Yeah, make sure the level go there, and we're gonna just cut. This is Dad can also do this for the boys. Yeah, so you can cut like this, but I like this because it's softer. And then see that just cut in an angle makes it softer. See, now it's long enough, short enough for it to even stand up and messy.
Wow.
Yeah, but there we go. And then I'm gonna do a little bit on the side here for him. Yeah? Yeah. Let's get this too. Let's get the sides because it's long. Yeah. Lock it in like that. Just a little. Good. See?
Wow. Sehr schön, Leon.
Was?
Sehr schön.
Yeah. And then this side, okay?
Wir sind gleich fertig.
He's doing really
Du machst
good.
super, ja. Bist super.
He's a good one. Just sits nice and still. Ta-da. And let's just keep going because he's so good.
Ja.
Okay, so I'm gonna do more around the front here because
Okay.
we'll get the little tip. Okay, get this a little bit shorter right here. Lock it on the front side. Okay. All right. So let's stand up so I can just.
Leon, steh mal auf.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Good. Good. Huh? And then...